My name is Shravan. This is Tech Weekly Recap. Wait, before we get started, have you checked the new Instagram music story? If you haven't got that, go to Play Store, update your Instagram. It's so cool. Let's start with the Big Billion Day and the Amazon Great Indian Festival. Those are the two amazing offers provided by Flipkart and Amazon. During those days, you will get a lot of amazing offers and discounts and EMIs. So make sure you check that out. It starts from 29 September. It extends till October 4th. Yeah, make sure you have a lot of list of items that you want to buy on that particular days. If you're using an iPhone, I think it's a good time because Apple start rolling out the new iOS 13, which they have launched on last WDC event. Yeah, it got a lot of new features like a dark mode, swipe feature in the keyboard, a lot of features. So make sure you check that update in your phone settings. You will be receiving the update soon. If not, Motorola. Do you know something? Motorola have launched their new TV. Yeah, they have launched a new smart TV in India. It's an Android TV. It starts from 13,000 for 32 inch and 65,000 for 65 inch. It go on sale on Flipkart on 29th September. Yeah, that's on Big Billion Day. So if you want to buy a new Android TV, check that out. It's so cool. Like WhatsApp is going to hide all the muted status in WhatsApp. So if you have muted someone in WhatsApp status, it won't be available if you update your WhatsApp after some days. Thanks for watching this video. If you really like this video, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, and hit that bell icon also so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. See you guys next time.